So you know all those fancy, I mean fancy foundations that are on the market at the moment that have so much skincare in them that they're basically a skincare hybrid of foundation. You can do it yourself at home with your favorite skincare and your favorite foundation, honestly. Because remember, the more skincare they put in, the less pigment they've got. So I'm going to take my moisturizer, which is a really, really good one. This is by Dermalogica. It's a little travel one. I'm just going to pump it into my palm. Then I'm going to take my foundation. I'm going to blend it in. Oh, hybrid makeup skincare. And now I'm going to use my fingers. And this, because of the foundation and also because of the skincare I used, this is going to give me a really dewy base. I'm going to get all the benefits of my skincare. And I didn't have to pay 3 times the amount for this hybrid product because I did it myself. Trust me, pick your favorite foundation, add your serum, a couple of drops of your moisturizer, whatever it is you like, mix it together. Guess what? You got a hybrid foundation like this that looks beautiful on the skin and it didn't cost you a fortune. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.